Fermenting with a single yeast strain in stainless steel is pretty straightforward. Mixed ferment oak, not so much. There's been this unspoken goal to produce beer in a single oak vessel where all those variables come together just right. Solitary nature represents capturing that serendipity in a bottle. It spent its entire life in one American oak foeder and boasts a flavor profile of a confident, balanced acidity, an almost chewy minerality, and a melange of hard candy flavors. Solitary nature will come back if and when a foeder once again presents us with a beer that is simply above blending. So until then, enjoy.